What you are doing is straight up criminal. So just try and be original. Be your own. Be your own. Don't do what I do. Just be your own. It's much more fun to be yourself than copy everybody else.
Be your own.
Be your own.
Try something new.
Find your own things to do.